What is going on, guys? Philly here with the new video. Alright guys, first of all, if you're new here, please subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you guys don't miss an upload. I've been noticing that a lot of people don't get my notifications like when I post a video. Make sure you guys turn on the little bell next to the subscribe button. Anyways, today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I mix my paints when I'm about to spray a car. I've been getting a lot of questions on my Snapchat, on my Instagram, about how to mix paints and what type of paint I use, how much is the paint, how much is paint, how much is clear, what kind of gun I use. So today basically I'm gonna show you guys the brands of paint I get, the brands of clear coat I use, and then the brand of my spray gun I use. I'll try to be as clear as possible, and that way you guys can learn. And I encourage you guys to start painting your own cars. You know, I mean, I know it can get expensive, but if you do it yourselves, it's gonna be cheap. I'm all about, you know, saving money on project cars, on drift cars. So I mean, try to learn a little bit from me. I'm not the best out there, I'm not the best painter, but I mean, fuck it. Shit, I think I ordered some tires and they're supposed to bring them right now. It wasn't it. But yeah, like I said, I'm all about saving money, and I encourage you guys to start painting your own cars. Experiment, don't be afraid. I mean, fuck, you know, like I've always wanted to save money, so I've always tried to learn to do shit like this on my own, because I mean, you want to save as much as you can on these fucking cars. They tend to cost an arm and a leg. So alright, let's get to it. Alright, first we're gonna start on the type of gun I use. So this gun right here, it's a cheap gun. I think it cost me around 70 bucks, and I got it from Home Depot. It's a Husky. I think it's the most expensive one they sell at Home Depot, so 70 bucks. The way you take care of these is every time you paint, you use it, make sure to use acetone, or I usually use this. This is a paint reducer. This is what I use to reduce my paint. I remember one time I bought like a $300 paint gun, and then at the time I was barely starting to tow cars, and I was spraying a car, and then I finished spraying it, and then I was about to throw the clear, so I threw it in my gun, and then some guy called me. He's like, dude, I need an emergency tow. So I fucking left, and I left my gun full of clear coat. And when I came back, that shit dried up, and that shit fucked up my gun. So never again. It was a badass gun. It was like 300 bucks. And dude, that shit, if you have the money, fucking spend on a gun. Pay the money. It's worth it. But this one, like I said, it's 70 bucks. I usually always put the tip in there, and then just clean it off. I always try to leave it there. That way it doesn't dry up and shit. So I try to leave it like that for next time. Try to always get a filter here on your gun and on the compressor. Let me show you real quick. So right here, shit, I don't have one right here, but usually like on the compressor, I like to put another filter right here, just to have two. You know, two is always better. But so this little button right here, all the guns are pretty much the same. They all have like 3 buttons, like adjustable buttons right here. So this one is for air, that you control the air that you want to spray. Like if you want a lot of air or less air, you control it with this little button right here. And then right here, this is the amount of paint you're gonna be throwing. So if you close it, obviously you're gonna throw less paint. If you open it up, if you loosen it up, you're gonna be spraying more paint. And then this one right here, say if you want to throw it straight, like it's kind of like a water hose tip. You basically open it up if you want to spray like this, like straight, or if you want to go straight. It's hard to explain, but I mean, if you get one, play with it before you start painting. And that's pretty much it. If you take off this shit right here, the little cup for your paint, there should be a little filter right here. I change it every time I use it, so it doesn't get clogged up. So I always try to change the little filter. It's like a little white filter net. I'll try to get a picture for it so you guys can see. So yeah, that's it for my gun. That's the reducer I use. I always use a mask. I always get the 3M. It's pretty cool. I think it's like 20 bucks. And then I think if your filters get too dirty, you can always replace them. They sell replacement filters. So there you go. That's that. I think my homie just got here. He's gonna deliver some tires. Damn, check out the homie with that delivery. Damn, you sexy boy.
What's up, man?
The homie came through for some drift spares. We're gonna be doing another drift sesh like the one we had on Sunday. If you guys haven't watched that video, go ahead and watch it, because there's gonna be plenty of more videos like that coming up. So this is the paint I use. I've never ever had any issues with this paint, with Valspar. It's not expensive, it's not cheap. I think it's in the middle, so it's pretty decent. This is the red I use for the 350, by the way. So yeah, this is called the base coat. It's just a solid red. So when you go into the paint store, always ask for a base coat. If you're gonna do a 2-stage, of course. Base coat means that it's your first layer of paint. Paint without clear. All right, check it out. I'm gonna show you guys how to mix the paint. We're gonna pretend this is our base coat, and then I'm gonna use the water as a reference for the paint. And then you always want to get a mixing cup. It tells you all the ratios right here. It says 1-to-1 ratio, 2-to-1, 3-to-1, 4-to-1, and so on. So for the paint, we're always gonna use, I always use 1-to-1 because this paint is pretty thick. So you want to reduce it. 1-to-1 means 1 part paint and then 1 part reducer. All right. So this is 1 and then 1 part reducer. All right. Hope you're following. This is our paint, and then we're gonna go up to, let's say, up to number 6. Oh wait, yeah, up to number 6. Oh, perfect. So this is your paint, all right? This is your paint. You go up to number 6, 1, right? You go up to number 6, and then number 1, you're gonna go up to number 6 because this is 1 and 1. So you want to use another half, and then you want to grab your little wooden stick, and then you mix it. So that's basically it. So depending on the paint you use, say if you only need a little bit, you go up to 1, you go up to 2, and then if you go up to 2 of paint, you have to go 2 of reducer. You go up to 4 paint, you gotta go up to 4 reducer. Alright guys, now let's talk about the clear coat. I have 2 different kinds of clear coat. Honestly, it all depends on how baller you want to go when it comes to clear coats. I think this one cost me like 80 bucks, the whole kit. So this is your clear, and then this is your hardener. You gotta mix them together, or else your clear will never dry. And then this one, I think it cost me like 60 bucks. So all depends. I've seen prices from 60 to all the way to like 500 bucks. So I mean, I've used this one a lot of times. I think I use this one to paint my troquita. It's pretty good, I mean, for the price. And this one I haven't used it yet, but by the way, I'm using this one for the 350Z. It's already used. So alright, for the clear coat, like I said, it just depends on how baller you want to go. Obviously the more expensive clear coat is, the longer your paint will last. So if you want your paint to last a long time, I suggest you spend the extra money for a better quality clear coat. To mix it, it's pretty simple. All clear coats are the same. They use a 4-to-1 mix ratio. I'm gonna show you guys real quick how to use it. Same thing. So let's pretend this is our clear coat. Say we're gonna need up to this much. We go up to number 4. Or let's go to number 3. So this is 4, right? and then we go say we need this much of clear, and then since it's 4-to-1, you're gonna need 1 part of hardener onto your, you're gonna add it to your clear coat. So basically, if you went up to number 3, you're gonna go up to number 3 with the hardener, and that's it. Bam, that's it. You mix it, you throw it in your gun, and you start spraying it. Bam, that's it, guys. So simple, huh? That was so simple, huh? I think mixing is the hardest part. When you're spraying, it's much easier, guys. Don't be scared, do it. I was scared at first too, because I mean, I didn't want to ruin my car, but I mean, you gotta ruin your shit to learn, you know. So that's pretty much it, guys. There's nothing much to it. It's pretty simple. Like I said, I encourage you guys to go ahead and do your own paint job. Experiment with the part. Like, don't go all out if you're scared or whatever. If you're not confident, start with the little part. Start with the, I don't know, like a fender, or I don't know, something, a mirror or something. Go ahead and do it, guys. It's pretty fun. I mean, I hate doing it because it takes a lot of time, a lot of prep work, and then it could get frustrating sometimes. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a like. Subscribe if you're new. Like I said, turn on your post notifications, because I feel like not everybody's getting my notifications when I upload a video. So go ahead and do that. Oh, and another thing I forgot to tell you guys. Tell me what you guys think of the drift sessions. The previous video I uploaded was a drift sesh with my homies from Paisa Drift. Let me know what you guys think of those videos. If you guys want to see more of those videos, let me know. We'll start setting up more videos like that. I'll try to get a car ready, and I mean, you know, I want to get out there obviously too. But let me know what you guys think in the comments if you guys want to see more videos like that. You know, me fixing cars, me fucking buying cars, selling them. That's what I do a lot, mostly buy and sell cars, make money and shit. But if you guys want to see more drift videos, let me know. You know, I'll get you more of that. And then another thing, on the next video I'm gonna upload a video I did with my homie from my homie Amador from SoCal Sideways. We basically did a 4K video with his camera. He helped me shoot it. It's just like a little teaser of some video we made of me watching the 240 hatch. So I'm gonna upload it next, and then I want to know what you guys think of that video. We might be doing more collab videos with him, so please be on the lookout for the next video I'm gonna be uploading. I'll probably upload it tomorrow, so be on the lookout. Turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.